Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just swipe down, so this thing opens up. And then at the bottom you find remove background. Just tap on this. Then select the picture from our albums. Let's say it's this one. And then tap on add. And yeah, we can select the background here, like this. Just do it quickly without the need for, and yeah, cut out. Yeah, see, it's not perfect obviously, but you can select the subject like this and then cut the background out. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.